Hello everyone and welcome to this Cortina update. As you saw in the last video, we did break down, sadly. But then after that, we of course got recovered by AA. Thanks AA for leaving us there stranded for 5-6 hours. Anyway, so here she is. She is back. She is where she needs to be at the minute. And we have found out a few things about her. So I'm going to give you a quick tour around this car and tell you what we've found out, thanks to John. Shout out to you for giving me information and giving us an avenue to dive down, and general things we need to sort out and things that are wrong with it. So I hope you'll join me, and I hope you'll subscribe for more of this garage find Cortina wonderfulness. So let's get to it. So the first thing I wanted to know is how cool this door is. I mean, look at this. That is some real stuff. So in here we have a few little bits. We have some rust. Don't get too close. We have a bit of rust here and a bit of rust here. And this door is a bit of a mess. So we've taken this off. It's just a bit of a mess in terms of disgustingness, however. So we've taken this off to sort of see how rusty it is, because these are obviously known to rot out the bottom of the doors. And this one is actually really solid, which I'm very impressed with. So we need to take the rest of the door cards off now as well to have a look at that. So with this car as well is there's some more rust. So these cars commonly rust along these pillars here. You can see a bit there where it's starting to bubble through, so that needs sorting out. Luckily this is all one section, so that's pretty easy to deal with. There's a bit of rust bubbling up there as well. In general, it's just a car that's a bit old and a bit scabby and hasn't been rust treated properly. So interesting note, in here you've got your rust proof thing. There's a bit of rust in there as well, and rust on there. I think what we really do need to do is we need to take a lot of things off and have a general look, which is of course what we're going to be doing as we get into it. But this wing mirror isn't original, I'm afraid. I know, right? Originally this would have had a square wing mirror that came out like that. If anyone knows any different, let me know. This wing mirror is a pig to adjust though. But we'll have a look inside now and we'll show you a bit more. So just a break from the condition while I talk about something else. So we found out this is actually a little, well, I wouldn't say a special model, it's more of a move out the way, please can we get rid of the old stock model. So this is actually, from what we know anyway, and thanks to the forums etc and looking through them, so we believe from what John has told us that this is an L Decor model, and obviously off the back of what he told us that we had a bit of research. Now the L Decor model comes with fully adjustable driver and passenger seats, which we have. That's not on the normal L model. It also comes with a vanity mirror for the passenger. That is not on the L model either. It also comes with a three-speed fan, which I don't believe is on the L model, and these lovely loop pile carpets, which are not on the L model either. So that would mean it is an L Decor model as far as we're aware. Of course, we need to go through a bit more research, and if you do know anything that proves or disproves that theory, let us know, because we just want to get to the bottom of it and see exactly what this car is. If it's normal L, that's fine. If it's an L Decor, that's cool. If it's a GT with 2 extra doors, who knows? It's probably not a GT, but there we go. So let's go on to more of the condition stuff. So now we're in this bit where this has fallen off. So that's good, isn't it? I'll just do this, which is the ultimate way of keeping this up the jankiest way possible. Anyway, so there's a few things that we have discovered with this, and the VIN plate is missing. However, the VIN is still stamped into the car, which is brilliant. So at least we still know that, and we still have the VIN anyway from the V5. General rust tidy up in the engine bay, little tiny bits. Someone has happily painted this this airbox, which is supposed to be black. I think this is supposed to be black as well. So it's just a case of repainting those two black and sanding all that blue spray off. And the rest of it, I took this off. Turns out it's been serviced, which is brilliant. The alternator is something we also need to do as well. We've got a new battery, thank God. It's not here at the minute. But before we do that, and a fan blade fell off. So there's a fan blade there that is missing, which is amazing and incredible. Of course, the rest of the car is more or less solid. In general, we just need to service it again, because I like to service every car that we get. But other than that, just a general tidy up of the engine bay, sort the battery tray out as well. It's a bit rusty in there. It's a nice washer there that I need to remove. Sort that battery tray out. I'm going to take this radiator off as well, and I'm going to flush it. And just in general, we're looking all right in this department. In the mechanical department, once we've sorted the alternator out, we're actually not too bad, which I'm very pleased with. So we're going to move how we've managed to put this together. I'll just rest it here for now, and we will get on to the rest of the condition of the car. Again, on this side, we've got a bit of bubbling up here, and this is probably the worst bit of rust that we've got. It's this bit here, and it is just surface rust for now, but obviously it can get a bit worse. Inside this door, which I love the way these doors open. I mean, feel that. The chrome is a bit pitted, by the way, on these doors, which is a bit of a shame, but who cares? It's not that bad. So we're going to have a look at this inner pillar now. So just come around here and we'll check. I'll sit down. So here there is a bit of rust. Now, I didn't see this. It's not actually, it won't go through. I will attack it with something, but it is really rusty there. So I think there's something sitting in there that we need to sort out. So we need to sort that soon, very soon, or we're going to end up having to get all this welded. I think that we'll probably get away with it. We'll have to see how the condition is. Of course, you can see me picking stuff to pieces. And we're going to have to see how the condition is under there and then sort that out. This door isn't too bad on this side. Again, we haven't taken the door card off on this one, but it's not that bad. We actually have a chrome thing, by the way. We have these chrome things that are missing on every door but this one. These are 50 quid on eBay, and sod paying that. I'll create my own. I'll fabricate my own ones for that. So let's have a look at what is behind this here door. Again, more chromage here, going a bit wrong, as old chrome does. Now, this is not too bad. I would not mind getting underneath all of this paint and seeing exactly what's up with it. I think it is a bit rusty here. It's a bit of rust there. Not gone through really, but yeah, it's not gone through. It's all right. It's fine. Yeah, that's really it. Of course, our seats have been recovered. Now we think they've been recovered and recovered again, or recovered over recover, because on the driver's seat you can see a bit of that, and it's a bit weird. So I'll cut to a clip of that. So we need a radio as well, which is another thing that we need. We need to take all these door cards off. Now, this door is not looking good, so that's not very nice. However, my finger hasn't gone through it yet. That's very crusty. We need to take this door off, or this door skin off, and check that door. So now we will go through to the, in fact, I was going to show you the boot, but the boot is really, really good. The boot there's nothing wrong with the boot. So we will go through to the other side and we will check that door, and I'll show you that. So on this side you have a bit of rust, sadly. It's not terminal, still solid. And here you have a bit of rust that's been grinded down that is also very solid. I can punch things because I'm not that worried about that. Under this door, we are not bad at all. We are not bad at all. Oh, no, that's just me. I started playing with the hinge and I'm like, there's a big hole there. But yeah, that's about that. So generally the condition is really good on this car. I'm really pleased with how it is, and we're obviously both very pleased about it. But other than that, you can just tell it's had a bit of a respray where they've just like gone all over it and they don't care. So that is all for now. Next plans on this video, we're going to get her running again, get a new alternator on there, get some more belts on there, give her a good service, and then after that, new brake caliper on this front right side, and then we need to drain all the brakes and everything, do the shoes at the back, and then we should be good to go. There's care and all that jazz to do. So we're getting dark, we're getting cold, and we didn't plan to do this video, but here I am with that. So thank you for watching, keep watching, and remember to subscribe for more of this.